So this is Lab Chapter 6, Group U2, presenting Chapter 6. So the first question is discussing raising the minimum wage and how that would impact uh, the workers. So the conclusion is the dollar value amount for the employees uh, for part one shows the calculation would be negative $550. For the workers, it would increase by 500, and as a society as a whole, you subtract 500 minus 550 minus 150 for a loss of 200.
For question two, we want to predict a overall worker's wage. So for part A, we use the Harris-Dodaro model, which is the equation in I. So in that equation, UW, which is the unskilled wage, is $2, and then the unemployment rate is 40%, which means the employment rate is 60%. And so multiplying up the two to predict the rural wage, it comes up to $1.2. And then part B, it asked us what the upper and lower bounds would be used for CBA. And we said the typical reasonable upper bound is 2 W's, and then the typical lower bound is 1.2.
All right. For number 3, we were asked if a proposed government project were to employ 120 people out of 100, and the wages were $12, and they have reservation wages between $2 and $20. We had to estimate the opportunity cost of labor required for the project, assuming government makes random offers to the 100 unemployed until 20 of them accept jobs. And so to do that, you could just look at the spreadsheet and look at the opportunity cost and just add up the first 20 in this row, and that gives you the opportunity cost. So for the numbers when I did it, I got 145.7, and then to estimate the opportunity cost, the government can identify the lowest reservation wages. You just look at the sorted wages, and that gives you the opportunity cost. And for part C, I did part A 15 times, and you can see the numbers I got, and the standard deviation was 15.89, and that I just use Excel to calculate that. So that's it.